Local news about local people. This is Newslink, Indiana.
Good morning, I'm Chris Bavender. Thanks for joining us. Renovations at James Dean's Old High School in Fairmount will continue without help from Warner Brothers Studios. California-based developer Ray Willie originally said the studio was going to contribute $600,000 toward the $1 million renovations in exchange for naming rights of the auditorium. But a studio spokesperson says that's not the case, that Willie only spoke with them once and they aren't interested. Well, hundreds of hounds from all around the country are in Jay County this weekend to take part in a coon hunting competition. Newslink, Indiana's Nicole Richards found out what all the barking is about.
The hounds weren't on an official hunt yet Thursday afternoon, but the sounds of the hunt still could be heard.
We cut them loose and we send them into the woods. They'll strike a coon, and when they strike it, go, ah, ah, ah.
The Limberlost Coon Hunters will host the annual English Breed Days at the Jay County Fairgrounds through Sunday. The event brings in hounds and their masters from over 19 different states and Canada. Limberlost Coon Hunters president says the dogs are a lot of work.
Handlers spend a lot of time with the dogs. The hunt dogs they're hunted every night of the week to stay in shape, to contend with the heat and everything.
Keith Pierce has been hunting with his grandpa and dog Rooster for 9 years. Rooster was named World Champion of American Kennel Club in 2001.
I like to hear the dogs bark when they tree a coon because they're the big loud mouths.
The hunt put 75 dogs into the woods Thursday night, 300 Friday night, and 250 Saturday night. Dogs will be scored on their performance, accuracy, and speed during the hunts. Whether the dogs will place well or not, their owners will still be proud.
If they like you, they will work really, really hard to please you. And they're not only a dog, they become your hunting buddy and your best pal.
In Portland, Nicole Richards, Newslink, Indiana.
The dogs accumulate points toward the Outstanding Coonhound of the Year. The winner gets a year's supply of Purina dog food. Now here's Carrie Hazley with a look at our forecast. Carrie?
Thanks, Chris. Well, I don't expect it to rain all day. In fact, yesterday we saw quite a bit of showers and thunder showers around the area. Today, a little bit more of the same, mostly cloudy through most of the day. We could see a pop-up thunder shower or two. Tomorrow's high will be 83 degrees. And if we take a look at the forecast for the overnight hours tonight, partly cloudy skies, we could see another stray thunder shower, and 62 degrees will be our low. Chris?
Thanks, Carrie. That is Newslink, Indiana. Join us at 6:27 tonight for more news and get local news about local people 24 hours a day at newslinkindiana.com.